Even Malc Safety Show. Just give me a minute.
It's Malcolm. Hello?
Yeah, Eve, I've got a major problem. My machines are all shut down, my maintenance crew's gone home, they've left their padlocks on all of the energy isolating devices. What can I do?
Well, OSHA does actually have a clause for that in their control of hazardous energy regulations. And what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to make sure, absolutely sure, that those people are not still inside. So you're going to need to check it and try and get in contact with them, make sure you've made sure they are not in the facility. Once you've done that, you are able to follow a procedure and cut off those padlocks, but that needs to make sure, again, absolutely sure that those people are aware that their padlocks have been cut off, and that they're not going to go in thinking that their padlocks are still on there. So make sure they're not in the facility, make sure they know that their padlocks have been cut off before they go back inside.
Hey, thanks for that. I'm going to go and do that straight away. Oh my God, you've been there all the time.